Hi, my name is Luigi Goda from MENB 22B1, and this is my video presentation about managing the main engine of a vessel. Managing the main engine of a vessel or industrial plant involves several critical steps to ensure its efficient and safe operation. The first of it is to prepare the main engine. We will check the pre-start checks. First is inspection. Visually inspect the engine and its components for any signs of wear, damage, or leaks. Next is the fluid levels. Check and top off oil, coolant, and fuel levels. Next is the filters. Verify that air, oil, and fuel filters are clean and properly installed. Next is the belts and hoses. Inspect for signs of wear and ensure they are properly tensioned and connected. Next is we will check the control systems, which we will check or test the control panels and gauges for functionality. Next is we will warm up the main engine with gradual heating, that we will slowly bring the engine up to operating temperature to ensure thermal expansion occurs evenly, preventing stress and damage to our main engine. Next is the operation. We will start the engine here. Procedure. We must follow the manufacturer's recommended starting procedure, which often involves pre-lubrication, turning the engine over manually, and using the appropriate start mode. Next is the monitoring. Monitoring, we will observe the gauges for oil pressure, temperature, and other critical parameters and immediately after starting. Next is the load management. We will avoid sudden changes in load, gradually increase or decrease the load to prevent stress on the engine components. Next is regular monitoring, which will continuously monitor engine parameters such as temperature, pressure, and RPM. And we will also use automated systems if it is available. Lubrication. We will ensure the engine is properly lubricated at all times to minimize wear and tear. Last part of its operation is cooling. We will maintain proper cooling to prevent overheating. Check the coolant levels and flow rates regularly. Next is the fault detection. Visual and auditory inspection. We will check first for unusual noises. We will listen for unusual noises such as knocking, which could indicate mechanical issues. Next is smokes and fumes. We will watch for unusual smoke or fumes, which could indicate combustion problems or leaks. Leaks. We will regularly check for fuel, oil, or coolant leaks in the main engine. Next is the monitoring systems. Alarms and alerts. Use onboard diagnostic systems to detect and alert about abnormalities. Trend analysis. Analyze trends in engine performance data to predict potential failures before they occur. Next is the necessary measures to prevent damage in our main engine. First is the maintenance. Scheduled maintenance. Adhere to a strict maintenance schedule as recommended by the manufacturer. Next is component replacement. We must replace worn or damaged components promptly to prevent further damage to our main engine. Next is cleaning. Cleaning the main engine or keeping the main engine and surrounding area clean to prevent dirt and debris from causing damage. Next is the emergency procedures. Shutdown protocol. Shutdown protocol, a clear protocol for shutting down the engine in case of severe malfunction to prevent catastrophic damage. Next is the spare parts. We will keep a stock of essential spare parts for quick replacement. Lastly is the training. Operator training. We will ensure that all engine crew or operators are truly trained in engine operation, maintenance, and emergency procedures. Continual education. We will keep the engineers or the crew of our ship engine updated on the latest best practices and technological advancement that related to engineering. That's all. Thank you.